Hey friends, if you wish to fix the problem where the projecting to this PC feature is disabled on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So we will search for projecting to, and then we will go to projection settings, and then we will check if it is always off. We will enable it on secure networks. Okay. And then we will also select this option that a pin should not be required. Once this is done, you can try to connect once again. If this doesn't work, then search for device manager, open the device manager, expand the list of network adapters, right click on the MediaTek one and update the adapter. And if that doesn't work either, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.